Hello everyone, I'm Vanessa. PQRS is a square. T is a point on PS and V is a point on PQ, such that PT to TS equal 4 to 5, and TS to VQ equal 11 to 10. U is point on the diagonal PR such that PU to UR equal 3 to 5. The area of the shaded part is 465 centimeter square. Find the area of the square. Okay, so now we were given the ratio of the length PT and TS, and then another set TS and VQ. What we do observe is that at this stage, these two are not comparable. Alright, so how do I make them comparable is what we call the repeated identity here. So since both are representing TS, they should be made into the same multiple. Alright, so 5 and 11, the lowest common multiple is 55. So I will change the ratio into 44 is to 55 and 55 is to 50. And with that, I can find out what is PF. Alright, because PT plus TS will give me the side of the square. And I would have 99. Okay, so with that, let's put in all the numbers in the figure here. Right, so the side of the square is 99 and PV is 49. So that's what is missing. So with that, now, okay, and we were given one more set of ratio, which is PU to UR. Okay, so maybe you want to refer to the previous video on triangle, right? A similar concept. So now I'm applying that concept into this question, which is slightly trickier. Okay, so looking at these two big triangles, which is triangle PSR and PQR, they are both half the square. Alright, they are both half the square. So the same thing, I'm going to zoom in on my focus on this particular triangle, alright, which is triangle PTR. And that triangle PTR is made out of two triangles. And they are PTU and TUR. And since both their bases lie along the diagonal of the square, we can say that these two triangles have the same height. And if they have the same height, what we can conclude is that the ratio of their bases is directly proportionate to the ratio of their areas. Alright? Okay, so what is the base? PU to UR is 3 to 5. So we can conclude because they have the same height. So the area of TPU, whose base is PU, is 3, and TUR, whose base is UR, is 5. The same exact ratio. Okay, so what we could say is that as a fraction of PTR, alright, as a fraction of PTR, TUR is actually 5 out of 8. But remember, we want the square. That means what I'm trying to find out right now is that I want to find out what is the area, or what fraction of the square is TUR. So how do I do this? Okay, so I'll be progressively moving out. So we know that TUR is what we said just now, 5 out of 8 of PTR. Okay, PTR. And then PTR is actually 44 out of 99 of triangle PTS. Why? Because if we look at PDS, all right, or rather PSR. So this is PSR. Okay. This big triangle, PSR, can be split into PTR and TSR. And these two triangles share the same height, which is SR. So going by the same logic, the ratio of their bases is directly proportionate to the ratio of their areas. So as a fraction is 44 out of 99 of PSR. Okay, so, and then PSR, okay, so PSR is half the square. So what we could do is, we can just take the fraction 5 out of 8 times 44 out of 99 times half, and that gives us 5 out of 36. That means to say that, okay, 5 out of 36 of the square is triangle TUR. Okay, so we can put it down. So doing by the same logic, now this is why I'm going to do that as well. Okay, looking at this triangle, PVR is made up of this PVU and VUR. And they have the same height because their base is along the diagonal. And with that, okay, again, the ratio of their bases is directly proportionate to the ratio of their areas. Okay, so now I can say that, alright, triangle VUR is actually 5 out of 8 of PVR. Okay, so with that, the same logic, and PVR, not forgetting, it is 49 out of 99. Why? Because again, we can see the PQR as split into two triangles, PVR and VQR. And since these two triangles share the same height, which is QR, so again, by ratio of their base, it is directly proportional to the ratio of their areas. So as area, I could say that is 49 out of 49 out of 99 of triangle PQR. Okay, so, and then PQR is half the square. So as a fraction, I'm going to just multiply it. 5 out of 8 times 49 out of 99 times half. And that gives me 245 out of 1584. Okay, so let's write down this. So what we need to do is now we will find out what fraction of the square is shaded. So it's essentially trying to find out these two. Alright, just add up these two fractions. So that will give us 155 out of 528. And then since we were told that the shaded part is 465, so 155 units equals to 465. And then what we need to find out is the square, which is represented as 528 units, and that gives us the answer 1584 centimeters square. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.